I know you're backwoods.
Yeah, dude, because I got to roll up. I got to roll up. What's up with dude? He cool?
Huh?
He cool? He that cool I can roll up?
Oh, yeah, we good. I done smoked twice.
I got to get these cars on, bro.
Get it.
And we'll be on the show TV tonight on YouTube. Check it out. The show TV, baby. We'll have these things on there. Ooh, we got that Wildcat.
Sold us these chairs for $5.
Hey, I got some chairs.
No, listen. Let me show you. The nigga pulled up. This nigga pulled up with a trunk full of them chairs you had.
It probably was my nigga.
He was in Lincoln Town.
Oh yeah, yep, that was him.
He pulled up down on Martin.
That's my nigga.
Sold out.
That's my nigga.
He had to go get more. He's like, I'll be right back. I got 2 of them in there for 10. He's like, man, or you buy the
glass don't fit with the balloon or whatever. Yeah.
The show TV, baby.
I went with this
YouTube.
Motherfucker on there.
The show TV will be on YouTube tonight. The show TV, y'all check me out. Subscribe. Yeah, you see what I told you then.
Make the profit. Yeah.
With the Buick. With the Buick. What's in this? Somebody sit down on that. He was still with the Buick.
Some old man pulled up in a Lincoln Town car. You said 15, 20. The baddest one I seen is a backpack. You put it on your back, it's a cooler seat, everything.
That boy look like right here.
Norv couldn't he'll split this one. Norv a scissor that dude.
Look, and the Buick hubcaps in the bowl. I mean, 1 inch, him an LR. That's the one that came up.
Yeah, that's the one you
The show TV. Subscribe. Check me out. More to come.
235. But they just 1 inch. With the Buick.
I got that big blue. That's perfect for this bullshit.
If I can find me some, Buick, true. That's what I'm put on here. If not, I'm keeping them what it is. He want me to go with the bigger tires, but I don't like that. I got to do my style. See what I'm saying? That's the 2 inches and the Buick wrap. If I can do it,
The Wildcat. And that motherfucking thing. I'm gonna tell you, if you seen another one of these, you tell me. I ain't never seen one in my life till right now. My partner got it. Check me out, the show TV on YouTube tonight, baby. Subscribe. It's going down. We going in. The show TV. Let me get the other side. Hey, what is it? What is this called? Ace Hood. My nigga Ace.